Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2021 Alliance Paradigm 370 FB. Bath and a half model, rear lounge, great new floor plan. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, do me a favor, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide outs in so you can see what you do and don't have access to. Also remember, give me a quick thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, that bell. The bell will give you a notification every time I put a new camper on. Be the first one to see new floor plans, decors, options. So make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, as you enter in, looking to the back, rear lounge, nice large island, residential fridge, theater seating, table and chairs, nice large atrium windows, hallway up to the bedroom and to that front bathroom. And that's where we'll start, up in the front bathroom. You've got a nice super-sized residential shower with the bench. Soft close toilet seats. Your two doors open up this really nice large walk-in closet, your washer dryer prep, tons of storage. You see the nice light color cabinetry. I am actually standing in the closet. So great setup here, well lit, but two doors there give you some nice access. And then glass enclosed shower door, foot flush on the toilet, max air fan. You've got the rain sensor, epoxy poured countertops, so very nice upgrades there. Stainless steel, backlit lighting, tons of storage. Again, soft close cabinet doors, nice feature there. Magnetic latches, soft close as well. Linen storage. You've got a barn style door that closes off that bathroom. King size walk around bed. You've got storage underneath. There are two of those folding up chairs that go for the table and chairs in the kitchen. Charging areas, receptacles throughout. Again, windows that all open. Charging on both sides. Again, a little storage area with receptacles. Ducted AC in the bedroom. Two non-ducted ACs in the living area. So good flow of air, keeping the living area and kitchen area cool, and then ducted quiet AC in the master bedroom. A little bench, nice storage underneath, hidden storage underneath, countertop, again soft shut magnetic latches. You've got smart LED TVs. Pocket door closes off the master bedroom from the rest of the camper. As you enter in, your convenience area, control your slide outs, your awnings, all your controls. More storage. More storage here that has hanging. Smart wire, all your wires are color coded in your fuse panel. Shoe storage underneath the steps. control those max air fans from one location. Another nice feature throughout, your lighting. Your lighting is dimmable, so no overwhelming LED lights. You can control that. There are those Coleman Mott air conditioners. Little bench when you come in with more storage, a little more hanging area. Nice feature here is the half bath. Again, soft shut toilet, epoxy poured countertops, large backlit mirror, good storage down low. Again, another nice large exhaust fan. Staying in the same area, you've got a large pantry with motion sensor lighting. Again, mentioned the residential refrigerator. Flush floor, no carpet, no raised floor in the kitchen, so nice feature there. All of your drawers are reinforced plywood. Again, still soft close. Roll up sink cover, but large stainless steel sink, extended spray head. Tons of storage down low. Shut-off valves at the each location. So if you had a sink issue here, you don't lose the whole camper for the camping trip. You can shut off the water right here. Nice large Insignia residential size oven. Nice large microwave. Again, large windows that do open. And your smart LED LG TV. CD, AM, FM, Bluetooth, stereo. Built-in speakers directly across from the theater seating. Nice Kensington recliners. They are electric. So nice theater seating with the divider, cup holders. Your tri-fold sleeper sofa. I'll show you a quick setup and breakdown of that. Alright, tri-fold sleeper sofa. Velcro tabs on the back. Remove those. Pull right from the bottom. Adjustable legs. Put those cushions back in, your linens, anything like that. And you've got a nice bed. Plenty of room to walk around, get in on either side. You still can open one of the theater seats. One will not open with the bed out, but plenty of room to get through if someone's sleeping in. Setting it back up, again, just as easy. Utilize that Velcro. And you're all set back up. You have good storage on either side with charging ports, USB, and hidden storage underneath. Roller shades throughout. Nice lighting. Backlit lighting in the cabinetry. LED lights in your molding. Nice lighting in the kitchen area as well. No floor vents. All your vents are in the island. Receptacles throughout. Again, a free floating table. You got storage underneath the chairs. You saw the other two chairs under the master bed. Electric fireplace. Another feature here. More hidden storage. So, nice storage bin there behind the fireplace. Again, tons of storage. Soft close. So very nice 2021 Alliance Paradigm 370 FB. We'll work our way to the outside. As you see that no carpet, flush flooring. We'll head out. Look out there. All right, moving to the outside. Nice fiberglass exterior. We're looking at Azdel on the exterior. Nice new graphics. Trail Air, Rotoflex. Wide open storage compartment. You can add a generator. 1000-watt inverter. Your docking lights control. 130-pound LP bottle on both sides. 370 has a dry weight of 13,394 pounds. Shocks that hold the door up for you. Nice slam latch compartments. Nice convenience area with the battery disconnect, motion sensor lighting, your water hookups, your pull valves. Feed everything right through the bottom. Controls for your auto leveling, which has the controls right here in the side box. One nice feature, as well as heated underbelly, more motion sensor lighting. Look at the access panel. Instead of having to pull the screws out and disconnect a bunch of stuff, you got access for winterization and your water lines right here, just pulling that handle. So very easily accessible, great feature there. 50 amp service. There are those auto leveling. Your hookup for your sewer, your black and gray tank. We'll move around to the door side. You'll see full-length power awning, outside speakers, the other side of your pass-through storage. You're looking at a 101-inch wide body, so it gives you more stability. Great feature there. Outside TV hookups, quick connect for LP, spray port on the door side to spray off those steps. Extra large assist handle. More receptacles. Got a factory installed ladder. I'll take you up there, show you the roof. On the roof, 3 air conditioners, roof vents, TV antenna, max air fans, prep for solar. Train coming by, skylights, top of those slot outs. You are prepped for a backup camera, and you've got a receiver on the back. 300-pound hitch weight, 3,000-pound towing. Check the states for restrictions on towing. So very nice 2021 Alliance RV. It's a Paradigm 370 FB. Alright, as promised, slide outs in. You got full access to the refrigerator and freezer. You got full access to the half bath. You're gonna have to climb over the bed to get to that front bathroom. So unless you're trying to take a shower, you got access to everything you need with the slides in.